Welcome to my channel. This is Parnika Haldar. So basically I'm a student from Christ University. I'm doing my undergraduation in communication and media, English and psychology. So as you all know, this is really a very tough time for everyone, and from last 1.5 years I'm stuck at home like everyone else, and there is no motivation to study, there is no motivation to learn anything. Everything is so uncertain, future, career, and it has been really tough for me and for others. So I was thinking about making a good use of this time. I always wanted to have a YouTube channel, and I was not very sure about the content, so I thought of doing something which will benefit me, and I can also help someone. So yeah, teaching has always been my passion, so this is a good start. I'm thinking of making my channel as kind of teaching, not exactly teaching, but yeah, I will be telling you about what I will begin with. What is psychology? Students who are in 11th and 12th and are unsure about what they want to do, or even people who are graduated and they are thinking about psychology in future. You can listen to me and you can decide. I will tell you I will begin from the scratch. What is psychology? What are the scopes? What are the career options? Then the basic concepts. If you think that this is something you want to do, then you can go for it, and anyone can watch my video, because psychology is something which we use in our daily lives, and few concepts will help you understand why do we do certain things in our life, and what else we can do, what options we have. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm also doing this for the first time, so it would be great if you guys show your love and support. I will try different methods to explain the concepts. I will try not to make boring lengthy videos. I'll keep it short and clear and crispy. So yeah, please do subscribe. From next video I will begin with the proper like teaching kind of. So yeah, do subscribe, like, comment, share, and wait for the next video. See you soon. Stay tuned, and stay home, stay safe. Please take care of yourselves, and the best you can do right now is to do something you always wanted to do, like whatever it is: singing, dancing. Follow your passion, follow your hobbies, make yourself happy mentally, so that your immunity also stays like good amount of immunity you need right now. So yeah, please stay hydrated, eat healthy, exercise, and all those cliche things you hear, please do that. Okay, so I'll wind up. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to me.